gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys click the subscribe button and join the family. It has been a while since I've done a beauty hacks video, but I wanted to share with you guys all of my aloe vera beauty hacks. So I've done so many of these types of videos before on castor oil beauty hacks, coconut oil beauty hacks, baby oil beauty hacks, you name it, I've probably done it. I will link some down below for you guys, so definitely go check those ones out as well. But I feel like when most of us think of aloe vera, we think of using it whenever we get a sunburn to help soothe that burn. But you can actually use aloe vera in so many different uses, and it has amazing beauty uses. So I'm going to share with you a bunch of different ways that you can use aloe vera when it comes to beauty. So whether it's your skin or your hair and all that good stuff. I will link the aloe vera I'm using in the description box for you guys, but of course you can always use a fresh aloe vera plant. But if not, the one that I'm using is fine. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, thumbs it up. It really helps me out. And on that note, let's just jump right into the beauty hacks. Aloe vera is one of the most widely used herbal remedies. It has many antiviral, antifungal, and cell regenerative properties. If you're not picking up an aloe plant and you're picking up aloe vera in a bottle like I'm sharing with you right now, you need to make sure that when you pick it up, you avoid aloe that contains alcohol, fragrance, and color. Alcohol and fragrance can actually irritate the skin, and aloe should be clear. There is no reason for it to be green. So like I said in the intro, I will link the aloe vera that I am sharing in this video down below for you guys to go pick it up. But I'm telling you, aloe has so many different beauty uses. The first one being aloe vera is great at treating acne or helping get rid of pimples. It is very great for the skin overall. Thanks to the aloe's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, aloe really helps keep acne at bay. It prevents bacteria buildup that is the main cause of pimples and acne. Also, it speeds up the healing process. And it is not only going to heal the pimples, but it is also going to help heal any acne scarring that you may have on your skin. And you can use this as a spot treatment before going to sleep. It is also great for dark circles and puffy eyes. Like I said, aloe is packed with antioxidants, but it's also packed with vitamin E, which helps to lighten discoloration around the eyes, and the cooling effect will really help with the puffiness. All I do is I apply this just the same like you would with an eye cream at night and just sleep with it on. And by doing so, this is just really gonna help to depuff and as well as fade the circles at the same time. The next beauty hack is you can use the gel as a primer, so before you apply your makeup. By applying aloe vera all over your face, it really helps to absorb excess sweat and oil, and it really helps to keep your makeup in place longer. It smooths over your pores and fine lines, and it just honestly really helps to even out your complexion. So all you have to do is just apply a little bit of the gel over your face, and then once you put the gel all over, you just let it dry, and then you can go ahead and put on your foundation and apply your makeup as usual. And I just find it really helps my makeup stay, and aloe vera just has so many great benefits to the skin as well, so it's just a great thing to put underneath your makeup that you're going to apply for that day. It can also serve as an amazing eyebrow gel. To be honest, I love using this gel more than store-bought gels for setting your brows. You just have to apply a small amount onto a mascara wand. I just used a clean mascara wand. Of course, you don't want to use an old or dirty one, so make sure you have just a clean brand new one and just apply the aloe onto it and then brush it across your brows. It's really going to help keep your brows in place all day long without giving you that sticky feeling. It feels really natural and you don't feel like you have product on your brows. When it comes to shaving, aloe vera gel is just perfect for that. You can actually use the gel as a shaving cream. It is super moisturizing, and as well as it's great for soothing when you're shaving, so I totally recommend using this before you go ahead and shave with your razor. I really like aloe vera gel as well when it comes to shaving because, like I said, it's great at soothing. So if you do get any razor bumps, you can always apply the gel to those spots, and it's really going going to help with those annoying bumps. So overall, it is just a great little hack to use in your shaving routine. It can also be used as a feet and heel soother. So all I did is I took a little bowl, I put the gel into the bowl, and I actually put a few drops of lavender oil into the mixture and just mixed it all together. The essential oil is optional. You don't have to add it, but I like to add it because the essential oil is going to help with the smell of your feet. This is really going to help get rid of dry feet and as well as rough, cracked heels. It really helps to smooth and soften your feet. So all you have to do is apply the gel onto your heels and as well as the rest of your foot. And then once I do this, I actually put on fuzzy socks and sleep with this overnight. And I'm telling you, your feet are gonna feel so soft, and it's really great, especially if you are in cold weather. I love this hack. And like I said, the lavender is just going to give your feet a nice smell. The next hack is a quick DIY exfoliant. So all you're gonna need is your aloe vera gel, of course, but you're also going to need some brown sugar. So I just took a bowl, put the brown sugar, and then mixed it in with the aloe vera gel. So you pretty much have to do even parts of each. As you can see, I just go ahead and add more aloe until the texture is the liking that I want. But this is a really great natural exfoliant, and you can actually also put this on your feet right before you apply that gel at night to really help get rid of the dead skin cells. But you can also use this before shaving and just to get rid of the dead skin cells all over your body. I just find it really helps to remove everything, and the aloe is just very soothing and just has really great benefits, like I've said, on your skin. And it's a great alternative from buying those really expensive exfoliants, yet it does the same job, if not better. If you're ever in a pinch, you can use aloe vera gel to help remove makeup or any of that leftover stubborn makeup on your face. All you have to do is take a cotton round and then apply the aloe vera gel directly onto it, and then go ahead and just wipe off your makeup. Completely takes it off, and it also removes it very easily as well, and it's very gentle on your skin. And not only is it going to help remove the makeup on your skin, but it's also going to help clear your complexion at the same time because of all its benefits that it has for the skin. These next couple of hacks with the gel are going to be hair hacks using the gel. The first one is aloe vera is a super great anti-dandruff mask. So all you have to do is apply the aloe directly to the roots of your hair, and then you're just going to let it sit in for a few hours. It really depends. I sometimes let it sit in all day long before going ahead and washing it out at night. And I just put my hair up and then put it into a shower cap while I'm waiting before rinsing it off and shampooing it as normal. By applying it right to the scalp, it's really going to help soothe irritation. It's going to exfoliate, replenish hydration, and even strengthen and smooth the hair follicles. On top of that, it's going to keep your hair smooth and shiny and also help remove the dead skin cells on your scalp. If you struggle with dandruff like me, this is a great hack to try out. I've done a lot of dandruff videos in the past, so I will link one up above and also have some in the description box. I definitely recommend checking out my hair hack videos because I have a ton of DIY remedies in there. And the last hack is aloe vera gel can actually be a moisturizing shampoo booster. If you want a little added moisture and you just find your hair super dry and just kind of looks bland, you can actually put some of the gel into your favorite shampoo and just use it as normal in the shower and rinse it off and all that good stuff. And it's really just gonna help keep your hair soft, fresh, and smooth. And as well, you're going to notice your hair looks so much shinier and just doesn't feel as dry and damaged. Aloe has so many benefits to not only the skin but the hair as well, and it's a great ingredient to add into your hair care routine. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. Thumbs it up if you did. Like I said, I will link my other beauty hacks and life hacks down below. I have a whole playlist of DIYs and life hacks, so definitely go check it out if you're bored, you know, I wouldn't mind. Click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every single week, and on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!